Okay guys, how's it going? It's like 11 o'clock. We had got done with our job. We got home, hopped in the sauna for a little bit, took a shower, just messed around, but now we're going to actually go run and grab the bolts for the CRF. So we're gonna take one of these bolts and get all the bolts that we need for that. And then we'll work on that a little bit, probably ride it. I freaking love riding that thing, it's so fun. But yeah, no, I'm gonna, oh yeah, I also need to get a bolt. Penny, hey, leave the chicken alone. Freaking dog. Look at this. What is she doing? Penny, quit trying to herd the chicken. Come here. Quit eating duck poop, you nasty. Okay, anyways, freaking dogs. But yeah, we gotta get the smaller bolt for the brake lever, so I'm gonna pull that off too. But once we do that, we'll go ahead, run to the little hardware store, get the bolts we need, get back home, get that all installed, and we're gonna go ahead and shred that thing. It's actually pretty nice out. It was supposed to rain or something. Well, it was raining a little bit, but like it's warm out. It's probably like 60, 61, I think. So yeah, God, I love this weather, you guys. Just winter in Washington sucks. It blows, but you know, this weather's awesome. We're gonna go ahead and unload my truck too, because I don't want my dad yelling at me for leaving all that crap in the bed. So yeah, let's go. Check out this sweet ride, you guys. Got the horns on the front. Oh shoot. Hell yeah. Thing's awesome. I just picked up some parts for the 110. I did not find any of those bolts, so I'm just gonna have to order those online, but wait till you guys see what I got. These parts are sweet. I'll show you guys when we get back to the house. Ah, my nose is bugging the crap out of me. Okay, you guys, how's it going? We're back at my house. Let me show you guys what I got. We got, hopefully this works. I think it's the right size. Got an uni filter. Gotta oil it up. Then we got some ODI lock-ons from our local motorcycle shop. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the grips on, throw the filter on, and then go rip. Freaking, I love riding this thing, you guys. Too much fun, too much fun. Oh yeah. Also, a couple more things. I think, so we need to order a new clutch cable, dirt tires. I want to get all new plastics once they're available. I want to go black rear, red front, and then get a custom seat cover made from Fusion Graphics. That's who I go through for all that kind of stuff. I want to get a new shifter. I got to order the bolts still. Eventually I want to get new bars. For now I'm just going to run these. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into putting this stuff on. Okay guys, so we bought the wrong filter, so we got that all swapped. That'll be here next week, and we got all the bolts we needed, so that's sick. But check out this boutique dealer that we have that just moved into our local city. It's freaking sick. I'll show you guys in just a second. Dang. As you guys can see, they got some sweet rides in there, but we're gonna go over to my buddy's house, see if he has the right throttle piece that I need for the new ODI grips. If not, I'll have to order it, which isn't a big deal, but yeah, see you guys there. Okay guys, so we were not able to get the filter, but we got it ordered. It'll be here like next week. We're gonna have to order a special the lock-on piece for the grip, so we're just gonna run these grips until we get that in. But we did get a score. Out of all our fails, we got a score. We were able to get all the bolts we needed, so we're gonna go ahead and throw these all on the triple clamp. And then tomorrow, which it'll be tomorrow's video, but we're gonna be adjusting the suspension. We're gonna be taking it over to my buddy's house, and we're gonna be ripping it up with him, so that'll be sick. But yeah, for now, we're gonna go ahead and put these bolts on, go get some pants on, and go shred this thing. Okay, you guys, got the new bolts on. Looks so much cleaner. Let's go to the other side. Boom. Boom. This is what we replaced. Look at these. Crap. Junk. Look at those bolts. Absolute garbage. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go throw some pants on. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go rip this thing before it gets too bad to where it's starting to pour, but yeah, should be fun. Let's get into it. Shit. Hey guys, just got done ripping the little 184. I don't know, 110. I'm just gonna call it a 110, you guys. That's what I'm gonna call it. But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and order the pegs for it tonight, I think. I'm gonna order the new clutch cable, just everything that's gonna make it run perfect. I want to order the new tires. I don't know. I need to order about 400 bucks in parts, so we'll see. I probably will. Maybe I'll hold off for a little longer, I don't know. But I gotta measure the wheel size, figure out what tires I need. I'm gonna be running the Dunlop MX-33s, I think, for sure. Those tires look sick, and I've ridden on them and they hook up pretty legit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that all sorted out, and then yeah, I really want to get everything powder coated, so I think I'm gonna keep riding it for a little longer, and then I'm gonna completely tear it apart and get it all powder coated. So yeah, it's gonna be this thing's gonna be bad to the bone when it's done. I'm probably gonna buy a brand new triple clamp just because this thing's tatered. I think it's got a nice scuff right there, and I want it to be anodized, not powder coated. So yeah, we'll probably do that. Looks so much better with the new bolts. Doesn't look so janky and rusted out. But yeah, I don't know if I'm putting bars on this thing. The bars on it are pretty nice. I guess we'll see how it feels tomorrow at my buddy's house on the moto track. He's got a pretty little, I don't know if we're gonna be riding on his big track, probably just this little track that his brother rides on. But he's got a bunch of property, so this will be sick. Yeah, I'm gonna be ripping those tires, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, other than that, I mean, pretty solid day. I mean, all the things we bought for this thing didn't actually end up working, so oh well. We have the new stuff coming though, so gotta order the little throttle thing for the grips. But other than that, yeah, pretty solid day. Crazy car's still sitting pretty. Same with that one. I need to drive this thing. We're probably gonna take this over to my buddy's house tomorrow too, if we're able to go over there, so we can do a bunch of activities, if you know what I mean. And we'll be making a video on that soon, probably within the next couple days. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think we're just gonna go inside and chill for a little bit. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, how's it going? We just got back from, why did I just say how's it going? You guys are dirty. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's like embedded into my brain to say how's it going, you guys. But yeah, anyways, we just got back from doing a little bit of food shopping and hitting the gym. But I just ordered 2 new Dunlop MX-33 tires for this thing. And then I was gonna buy the IMS pegs, so I'm just gonna hold off, and we're gonna see if I can use my buddy's stock YZ250F pegs on this thing. If I can. They might not fit, they might, I don't really know yet, so we'll figure that out. But yeah, we're waiting on that filter to show up, waiting on that grip, the ODI twist throttle piece to come in, and then God, what else? There's a couple other things that I ordered. Oh yeah, new clutch is coming. It's a heavy duty clutch, so it's an upgraded clutch. Hopefully this one will last and not have to worry about it. I'm gonna try running race fuel on this thing, possibly tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then the next time that I go out somewhere and ride it, just to see if it helps it. Because right now he has it on 93 octane, but if it's high compression, it should be running race fuel. So we'll see. But yeah. You messed. Sorry guys, got distracted there for a second. But anyways, back on the bike. We are getting the ODIs. Yeah, we're gonna try the race fuel. Got the new clutch coming. Also ordered a new clutch cable, so that should be in. I think that'll all be in here like next week, maybe the following week. Hopefully next week, because I want to get this thing dialed. But yeah, and then as we just save more money, we'll start dumping more money in this thing, getting everything powder coated, making it look spiffy. Still got to powder coat the big crazy cart. Just waiting on that 1000-watt motor to come back in stock. Then we'll get this crazy cart powder coated and have her looking all fresh. But we're gonna be taking that, and it'll be in the next video. But we're gonna be taking that to my buddy's house and ripping it up all day. So hopefully, I think we'll get some solid footage. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. You guys trying to get monetized, and man, just watching the channel, just watching this channel grow is just amazing. I appreciate you guys so much. I think we're gonna be doing the giveaway still, even if it doesn't break 5,000 views, just because I appreciate you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And other than that, it's gonna end today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.